Sit rep. Okay, second crack at it. I'm going to try and get some telemetry flying and follow me stuff to happen with this SG106. I've just about given up on it. I've been doing a fair bit of playing around with it during the ad break, and yeah, sorry, it's still rubbish. She's a real cow, and I mean a real cow. That's right, that's what I reckon. Anyway, let's get up in the air, see if I can't lose this thing. Okay, pre-flight checks are done. Calibrate. Yeah, pretend you're calibrating, but not really. Hit the record button. Got the recorders going. Take two. Calibrating finished. This thing has a significant pairing issue. Okay, is it paired now or what's going on? Oh, I don't believe it, it's actually taken off. Right, so let's do some, oh no, there goes my picture again. Alright, video, let's try and start the video. Okay, alright. Let's see if we can get some nice steady hovering going here so that we can have a look at this picture again. Yeah, sorry, my opinion still stands with this, guys. This thing's a real, she's a real cow of a drone, this thing. A real cow. Let me tell you. Speaking of cows, there's a cow there. Sorry, cow. I'm just trying to crash this crappy drone. Alright, let's try a funky move, shall we? Let's try a, there's a bit of wind here. Let's try some telemetry flying. Why are you beeping at me? Stop beeping at me. Oh no, well. A bit of a breeze here now. Okay. Oh, have a look at it, guys. It's a shocker, isn't it? Okay, some telemetry flying. Alright, we'll draw a circle. Go forth and circle. No, not doing that. Okay. How about a fly around on the spot thingy? Point of interest. Let's go for a point of interest, shall we? Okay. Go. Point of interest. No? Okay, doesn't want to do that either. Alright, we'll just forget about that completely. We'll bail out of that. No, you don't want to bail out of it? Okay. Alright. We're still recording. Let's do another record. Okay. I can't get rid of that thing on the screen now. Let's switch between cameras, so I'll stop recording, and oh, goodness me. No, I can't get rid of the telemetry flight now, guys. It's just no. As you can see, it's not bugging out of that box. Oh, there we go. Choose music. No, I don't really want to do any music. Oh, crikey. Yeah. Yeah. My sentiments say it all. This thing's hopeless. The app's hopeless. Alright. See you in the sky. Let's go. Alright, so we're back to 3 again. Sort of controlling. I'm just going to climb up here. I'm going to see what happens. I don't know if you guys can see that up there, but it's, yeah, she's right up there. And it's not just a matter of just holding it steady, because it just doesn't hold steady. Oh, there goes my app again. See you later, app. I've lost FPV. No, quick, hit the record again. Got no idea what it's looking at here. Are we upside down here or something? What's going on? Oh, crazy drone. Oh, I'm about to lose it, guys. It's just hovering up over there in the trees. No, I'm going to kill it. Well, there you have it, guys. It's gone. Yeah, it landed down there and I just heard a massive bang, so I suggest it landed on the roof of a house.